Stop by and take a look at the 2019 Compass. The Jeep Compass has a solid, sophisticated 16-valve engine. It features electronic variable valve timing that continually changes the torque curve, bringing more versatility to the 165 peak pound-feet of torque and more capability to the 172 peak horsepower. This vehicle has less than 80,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, heated mirrors, brake assist, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, tires front all season, tires rear all season, four-wheel disc brakes, front-wheel drive. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.